Investors at the Nairobi Securities Exchange are blaming government policies for the exodus of foreign investors from the market, a move that has come with the loss of market capitalization and fall in the benchmark index. The investors say adequate stakeholder engagement was not undertaken before the government introduced new taxes such as the capital gains tax and the Robin Hood tax. During the third quarter of the year, the equities market was on a significant downward trend, with the NSE 20, 25 and all share indices declining by 14.2%, 15.6% and 12.5% respectively, while equities turnover declined by 32% to 31.95 billion shillings from 31.95 billion shillings from 46.98 billion in June. Market capitalization stood at 2.2 trillion shillings as at the close of trading on Wednesday, down from about 2.5 trillion shillings in 2017.
What are these taxes? When do they kick in? What is the intention? How much are they? And there's not been enough consultation with the players, and so that has raised a concern. In essence, all of that, what it has generally done is, caused their confidence in our markets to decline.